It was a day like any other when I woke up and realized I couldn't smell my morning coffee. The rich, aromatic scent of freshly brewed beans was nowhere to be found. I had contracted COVID-19, and along with it, I lost my sense of smell. This was a disconcerting experience that millions around the globe also shared. Smell is more than just an accessory to our sensory experience. It's a vital part of the way we interact with the world. It's our early warning system for danger, our guide to the pleasures of food, and a key player in our social interactions. The loss of this sense can lead to a decrease in appetite, inability to taste, difficulty in detecting hazards like gas leaks or fires, and even social isolation. So, what's the science behind our sense of smell? And more importantly, how can it be restored? It's all about the olfactory sensory neurons. These are found in the olfactory epithelium within our noses. These neurons send signals to the olfactory bulb in the brain, which then transmits these signals to other parts of the brain like the amygdala and the hippocampus, which are involved in emotion and memory. When we lose our sense of smell, it's usually due to damage to the olfactory epithelium or the olfactory bulb. This can be caused by a variety of factors, such as viral infections like the common cold or COVID-19, head trauma, exposure to toxins, or simply aging. But there's hope. Recent research has shown that smell cells can regenerate, even in adults. This opens up the possibility of restoring a lost sense of smell. Some of the most promising treatments include olfactory training, steroid treatments, and blood plasma treatments. Olfactory training involves regularly smelling a variety of different scents with the aim of training the brain to recognize these scents again. Steroid treatments can reduce inflammation, which may aid in the regeneration of olfactory cells. Blood plasma treatments involve using the blood plasma from people who have recovered from COVID-19, which contains antibodies that may help to fight the virus and restore smell function. This is a field of research that is still in its early stages, but the progress made so far is encouraging. The discovery that smell cells can regenerate is a significant breakthrough, and with several promising therapies in development, the future of smell restoration looks bright. In wrapping up, the loss of smell can have significant impacts on quality of life. But with the discovery that smell cells can regenerate and the development of promising treatments, there is hope for those who have lost this vital sense. Thank you for joining me today as we delved into the fascinating world of smell and smell restoration. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.